Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to fix Instagram Vanish Mode when it's not working in 2025. Vanish Mode is a cool feature that lets your message disappear after they're sent, but sometimes it can act up or just won't turn on. Let's look at some easy ways to get it working again. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. A lot of glitch happen because of outdated apps, so head to your App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates. Next, Vanish Mode only works in one-to-one chats, not a group message. So if you're trying to use it in a group chat, it won't activate. Also, both you and the other person need to have a Vanish Mode enabled and your accounts should not have any restriction or blocks between you. If it still doesn't work, try restarting the app or your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary bugs. Clearing the Instagram app cache can also help. Go to your phone settings, find Instagram and clear cache or storage. Another thing to check is your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause features like Vanish Mode to misbehave, so switch to Wi-Fi or a strong network if needed. Finally, if none of this work, log out and back into your Instagram account or installing and reinstall the app can often reset the feature and fix the problem. So those are the top fixes for Instagram Vanish Mode not working in 2025. Update, check settings, reboot, and reinstall if needed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out to get a Vanish Mode back on the track, please like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Catch you in the next video.